Alright, so I picked up this probably junk pocket knife. It says case. I'm not sure what else that says there. Case XY? I don't know. Stainless, but you know, the blade, the spring is messed up, has a lot of side slop. It's probably junk. I don't think I gave much for it, but there's something wrapped all over the handle, and I really just got it as a mystery thing, right? I want to see what is under all this tape. So I'm going to cut across the back here where I suspect I won't damage anything. It's like opening a clam. Oy. Getting there. The scales still appear to be there. I wasn't sure if they'd even be in there. Well, it clearly will still close, but the spring is a mess. So let me do a little de-rusting and lubricating and see if we can get that spring working again. Okay, with a little cleanup, now I can see it says Case XX Stainless USA at the bottom of the blade on that side. On this side it says 1199 SHR, and then also on the scale on one side I think that says Whaler, WHALER. And there you go, maybe that's better. I don't know what this says. There's another piece of tape on there that doesn't seem to want to come off too easy yet. I think it starts with a C, but it's too long to be case. So I'm not sure what that says yet. But it looks like it was a pretty nice knife when it started life. It's got brass inserts inside and brass pins and rivets, and the little steel bolsters on the ends there are pretty stout looking, in good shape. So I get some penetrant in there and try to be a little more careful about it. I don't want to ruin the wood scales. So coming along. Well, this started out as a mystery. If it was no good, no loss. But then as I was getting into it, I was getting a little excited that it might clean up and turn into a nice knife. But after I got it moving, I realized what the problem was. You see the bend right there? it's cracked. So I don't have any plans to do any more with this. So if anyone has any suggestions, or if I should just decorate with it, I don't know. Unfortunately, every mystery doesn't turn out to be a good mystery. Sometimes the simple beauty of a frosty morning is all it takes to set your day right from the beginning. I wonder how it is that these beautiful patterns emerge on some mornings, and on others it is completely, without style, for lack of a better term.